Hello viewers, today I have a vintage 1970s Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan. Here's the front, the side, and the back of the fan. I bought this at a flea market a couple years ago. It still runs. I've cleaned it up. And it's a 3-speeded fan. It's high, medium, and low. Start off on low. It's pretty quiet. Now for medium. And high. Make it oscillate. Now for medium with oscillation. Now low with oscillation. Now there is a startup sound to this fan. I'm not sure if you've heard it when I originally turned it on, but I'll see if I can get that on camera for you once the blade stops spinning. Meanwhile, there is information on the bottom. Let's see if you can read that. Okay, on the bottom here it states. Okay, on the bottom it states Type 12.1, 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 0.37 amps. There we go. See if you can read that. Alright, now I'll get the startup sound for this fan. I'll start off on low. So, all in all, I wouldn't give this fan away for anything, personally. But, so far, that was just my 1970s Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan. Thank you for watching.